pizza looks banging. But before we crack off...
Crack off?
Crack off? You can't crack off on the street, can you? Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Review Club. This is a big review. Pan to your right, Jess. Fireaway Pizza. 52 franchises around the UK. This fine young gentleman inside who's done bus watch. Don't know where that's going.
Z-Bus.
Z-Bus. Amazing shop. Reached out and asked us if we come and do a review. So we're here and I'm gonna do it for you now. Spoiler alert, pizza looks banging. But before we crack off.
Crack off?
Crack off? You can't crack off on the street, can you? Get locked up for that sort of thing. Before we crack on, we've got a sponsor. Barbados Bars. Yes, you heard that right. Look, here is a picture of the bars you can build yourself in your garden. Mental. They're 370 quid. If you quote Food Review Club when you want to order one, they're 340 quid. That's £30 off for you guys. FRC families getting looked after. Look, lockdown, everyone has been smashing the booze at home. Get a bar in your garden. And it's flat packed, you can have fun with your missus. Valentine's Day, what a present. Is that not the best sales pitch you've ever heard in your entire life? Barbados Bars, thank you for supporting the page. I love you. Right, pizza time. Fireaway reached out and said, you've got to come and try our pizza. Just by chance, we were in Bedford earlier. The food over there was guff, by the way. So I've actually phoned them and said, right, are you open? They're like, yes. So I'm here.
We're in Luton.
We're in Luton. Hello, mate. Have you tried this pizza?
Not yet.
Not yet. Trust me. I don't know. Might be bad. A 12-inch signature pizza. Can't speak. $7.99.
That's good.
You know what? Tonight we're gonna go home now. I actually felt like having a pizza. Shock horror. So this is what I've actually ordered for my pizza. I want to get your initial reaction in the comments now, and I want you to put what you have as a pizza, number one, and is this acceptable? Ham and effing pineapple. Oh, we've got a bleep in, haven't we?
Yeah, you can swear.
Motherfucker. This is an absolute barnstorming cunt of a pizza. Stick that up your fantastic. What do you think of that? Guys, please get in the comments with just a yes or a no. You can't, not everyone's going to be in Luton right now. You can't relate to me being here. You maybe you've never had one of these before in your life. This is your chance to have your say. Does pineapple belong on a pizza? I'm going to come out and say it. I love it. A sweet little pockets of fresh, juicy fruit.
No.
No. Jess is saying no. That means we need to get you a pineapple one then.
No, pepperoni. You're very getting all muddled.
I'm getting all my words fuddled. Right, let's get on with a review. As always, on Food Review Club, we keep the pizza the same to try and level it across the board. I absolutely love pizzas. Look at this pizza. This is an artisan style pizza. And of course, we dropped him the usual, you know, what's good about your pizza? Why is it so special? They use 3 different types of flour in the dough. He said that's probably the best part of this, when people cannot leave the crusts. Now, I feel like the pizza game has moved forward for me. I'm not sure how this is going to go down, to be fair. Disclaimer as well, I did not pay for this food. Fair's fair. We tried. They weren't having any of it. Stuff it. Free food tastes wicked. We know this. Right. So let's dive in, see what we think. But first impressions, trying to have a little close up, Jess. We've got some chopped basil on there.
Basil.
Basil.
Air pockets.
The dough looks nuts. Look, oh my god, look at that. It's like a pizza cave. It's like a Wookiee hole. Here we go. Yeah. That's a barnstormer. Really strong, nice cheesy flavour. Light as a kite. The dough is Has got that sour flavour to it. It's not sourdough. However, it's a delicious mix. Lorry watch. That's the WH Barley Transport and Haulage. Congratulations, welcome to Food Review Club. Food Review family, reach out to WH Barley Transport Services if you need anything moving.
Stop.
With the dough.
Hang on. Hold it still.
Really nice. See that, like, blistering effect? Gives you that delicious flavour. I've got to admit, this is a cracking pizza. I'm so pleased about it because, number one, this fella, I've never ever heard of Fireaway Pizza before. I didn't know it was a franchise. It must be from another part of the country where they're dominating. Cool. The fella who's called us, who messaged us, is obviously taking this franchise on himself. So, I'm assuming there's a big financial risk in that. And to get in bed with someone, you better make sure they've got the right ingredients and the right flavours going on. I'm pleased.
Parkside. Also, Matt.
Out of all the Z buses, the Parkside is my favourite. Can I finish, Jess? 1 second. I'm glad for him that he's got into bed with someone that's delivering the flavour. He's got a turntable pizza cooker in there, pizza oven. Big investment. Jess.
There's also another pizza shop opposite.
There it is, downtown pizza there. Look.
I don't think that's a pizza shop. That's a.
What do you not think is a pizza part of this?
It's a dessert shop, Matt.
Oh, is it?
I'm sure we've
They're
been.
pizza boxes.
We've been there.
They're pizza
I'm
boxes.
sure we've reviewed there.
Are you serious? All right. Getting out the Fireaway Pizza.
Enjoy, man.
No good. Very good. Very good. Chatty.
Fucking
Chatty lads.
pizza.
Are you telling me that's no pizza?
No, it's a dessert shop, Matt.
It's full of pizza boxes. Downtown. What do you sell?
I can tell you what it sells. Food and desserts.
Okay. Oh, it does say gourmet. That's a stitch up. Anyway, look, we're here for Fireaway. The shop is clean AF. Oh, actually, so I'll be honest with the camera now. Those of you that follow my Instagram will know earlier I walked into a shop. Actually made a comment about how nice the guy's car was at the front. Walked in, walked straight out again. They need to be spending some of those car peas on cleaners. It was shit. I actually walked out. I'm not about that negative energy right now. We're popping off. We're doing our own energy, right? So to walk in here, be clean. It's fresh. When I say clean, I mean immaculate. Like, spotless. It's fresh, it's light, it's bright. I'd be happy for my food to be cooked in there. Look, and then the product tastes this good. I might gonna have my third slice pizza once I talk to you.
You got that whole slice in your mouth there.
Closing remarks, Jess. The flavour is intense. Coming from that tomato, sorry. Strong tomato base. Wonderful dough. Look. Amazingly cooked. I've got my blisters. I've got my crunch. I've got a great sauce. Super cheese. A great young bloke who's invested in himself for the people of Luton.
Good value as well, isn't it?
Yeah. These were exceptional value, Jess. We didn't have to pay for them.
Even if we did.
Jokes aside, $7.99 for pizza. And my eyes are so good, by the way. You can make your own pizza for $9.99. You've got chicken wings, wedges. It looks good. Fireaway. I don't know if you're all brilliant or not, or whether you might be all terrible. And this could be a great example, but I'm sold. Now, drink watch. Are you ready? Oh, there we go. Can't read it.
Mandarino.
Mandarino Verde. Italian drinks in the chuffing fridge. I had to get a good drink for Barbados bars, didn't I?
Yeah.
I imagine just having one of these pizzas, leaning on my Barbados, £30 off, Food Review Club bar, in my garden, swigging on Mandarino. Banging.
Is it really?
Wee! That's lime, obviously. It's like a fizzy, fresh lime. The perfect drink to accompany a stunning little pizza. Now, this is the time in the review we have to give this as kind of a score. And I'm not going too overboard these days. A score for me means everything. That's all I've got. These scores are not paid for, they're not bought. This is what we've got. Fireaway. I want to give you a massive 8.8 for that pizza. I absolutely loved it. Fantastic pizza. And I hope if you notice these guys or live in Luton, give the video a share, or just fancy sharing my content far and wide. After all, it is probably the best food reviews for the working man in the world. Now, thanks for watching, everyone. That was a Barbados Bars food review with this pizza that I'm now gonna sit in my car, demolish. So thanks very much. Cheers. That was a review.